Good morning, Jackrabbit family. Happy New Year.
Hi, how are you? Oh, good to see you.
This is Dr. Malone with our morning announcements. Throughout the building, there has been some updated modernization to our hallways. You'll see some graphics images that are along the hallways and some new features that have been added to our building.
Yep, there you go.
So hopefully over the next week, you'll be able to take those in and appreciate the hard work that was taking place over the winter.
I like it a lot. It makes a cool design about the school.
I think it's really cool. The shapes and how each commons area has like a different form of jackrabbits. I really like that.
So some of the kids came in and they were just like really excited about like the renovations and just how it was bright and cheery and how this is their last year in 4th grade at Grant, and they're just really excited that they got to experience this.
She was ready.
My favorite change is the classrooms because they added more space and like the couches and the new chairs and stuff.
It makes me feel happy and strong and positive.
My favorite parts is the chairs, the new desks, the new smart board, our carpet, our floor, basically everything, our lockers and everything.
My favorite parts about our new classroom is the lockers, is because we have book bins and math bins. Book box and a math book box.
We have new cubbies in our room. They keep their book boxes in and they hang their backpacks, so that kind of promotes like a little bit more like responsibility for 4th graders. So they're learning how to stay organized. I really like the desks, so we work in a lot of groups, more collaborative learning and like figuring out like what works best for the kids.
It makes me feel like I can speak and do a lot of other stuff just easily.
This week, we are going to study different forms of poetry. I love the bright colors. It gets the students excited. I remember at open house at the very beginning of the year, the students were so excited to just see all of the bright colors, the changes. I just think the total package is awesome.
Chairs are a lot more comfortable than last year. I like that some of them can move, and it helps me focus more because the seats are a lot more comfortable.
I feel good. I was excited because it's a place that we did much renovation in. I like how they painted on the walls and made it like very pretty and stuff.
The commons area has also changed a lot. It also gives the students a space to work out here with adults that are, while they're supervising the students. And overall, it's been a great change. It's great because it gives students even more space to be successful in. I can have students come out in the commons area and do group work, and it gives me a chance to also be able to supervise them by having this clear glass. Before, last year, it was just a wall, so I wasn't able to send students out here. But now with the glass wall, it opens up even more opportunities for the teachers and the students.